Ever wondered how the top traders stay profitable? It's not about some magic formula or insider information, it's about having the right ingredients and knowing how to use them. Today, we're diving into the 5 crucial points every trader must know to thrive in the trading world. This isn't some amateur cooking show, this is about mastering the market and becoming a culinary wizard of trading. Get ready to transform your trading from a disaster zone into a Michelin star operation. Right, you donkey. Let's talk about patience and discipline, the 2 ingredients most amateur traders chuck out the window. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. You need the patience of a saint and the discipline of a drill sergeant to succeed in this game. Look, I've seen countless clowns rush into trades like headless chickens, chasing every little market fluctuation. They think they're being decisive, but they're just being reckless. They're the first to burn their fingers and end up with a portfolio full of burnt offerings. Patience is about waiting for the perfect setup, not jumping at every shadow. It's about controlling that itchy trigger finger and waiting for the market to confirm your analysis. Discipline is about sticking to your trading plan like glue. You've got your entry point, your exit point, and your risk management strategy all planned out. Now bloody stick to it. Don't let your emotions hijack your trades. Think of it like baking a souffle. You wouldn't just chuck it in the oven at any temperature and hope for the best, would you? You follow the recipe precisely, controlling the heat and timing. Trading is the same. Follow your plan, manage your risk, and don't let your emotions turn your portfolio into a soggy mess. Remember those traders I mentioned earlier? The ones who are consistently profitable? They're not gambling, they're playing chess. They're patient, they're disciplined, and they're not afraid to wait for the perfect opportunity. So, be patient, be disciplined, and never stop learning. That's the recipe for success in the trading world. Listen up, you Muppets. Let's talk about keeping things simple. You see those traders with screens full of charts and indicators looking like they're about to launch a rocket? They're overcomplicating things. Trading doesn't have to be a bloody science experiment. In fact, the simpler your approach, the better. You don't need a million indicators flashing at you like a disco ball. Focus on a few key indicators and strategies that you understand inside and out. Master those, and you'll be light years ahead of the pack. Think of it like cooking a signature dish. You don't need a million ingredients to create something exceptional. The same goes for trading. Find a few key indicators that resonate with you, like moving averages, RSI, or MACD. Learn how they work, understand their strengths and weaknesses, and use them consistently. Simple, yet effective. Trading can be the same. Don't overthink it. Find what works for you and stick to it. Now, when it comes to strategies, don't try to be a jack of all trades and master of none. Choose 1 or 2 strategies that align with your trading style and risk tolerance. Whether it's trend following, breakout trading, or scalping, focus on mastering those strategies. Remember, simplicity is key, so keep it simple, stupid. Focus on what works, and you'll be well on your way to trading success. Listen up, you bunch of amateurs. Let's talk about the journey from being a losing trader to a consistently profitable one. It's not a walk in the park, but it's achievable with the right mindset and approach. Let me tell you, I've had my fair share of disasters in the kitchen. I've served up raw chicken, burnt vegetables, and desserts that could sink a ship. But you know what? I learned from every single mistake. Trading is no different. You're going to make mistakes. You're going to have losing trades. But it's how you react to those losses that will define you as a trader. The first step is to accept that losses are part of the game. You can't win every trade, and anyone who tells you otherwise is full of it. The key is to minimize your losses and maximize your wins. That means having a solid risk management strategy in place and sticking to it like glue. Next, you need to analyze your trades, both winners and losers. Why did that trade go your way? Why did that other one blow up in your face? Don't just look at the charts, dig deeper, examine your emotions, your thought process, and your execution. Were you feeling greedy? Were you afraid to cut your losses? Identify your weaknesses and work on improving them. Remember, trading is a journey of continuous improvement. You're never going to reach a point where you know everything. The market is constantly changing and you need to adapt and evolve with it. One of the biggest mistakes I see traders make is not having a trading plan. They're like headless chickens running around in circles, hoping to stumble upon a winning trade. A trading plan is your roadmap to success. It outlines your goals, your risk tolerance, your entry and exit strategies, and your money management rules. Without a plan, you're just gambling, and the odds are not in your favor. So take the time to craft a detailed plan and follow it religiously. Consistency is key. Stick to your plan, review it regularly, and make adjustments as needed. Over time, with discipline and perseverance, you'll see the results. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Listen up, you bunch of emotional wrecks. Let's talk about keeping your cool in the heat of the trading moment. You see, trading isn't just about charts and indicators, it's a psychological battlefield. Fear and greed, those two little devils, can turn even the most promising trader into a blubbering mess. One minute you're riding high, the next you're staring into the abyss of a massive loss. Remember that time I caught that chef crying in the corner after he overcooked the scallops? That's what emotional trading will do to you. It'll turn you into a quivering wreck, incapable of making rational decisions. Look, we've all been there. Your heart starts racing, your palms get sweaty, and you make impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. You see a stock dipping and you panic sell, only to watch it soar the next day. Or you get greedy and hold on to a winning trade for too long, watching your profits evaporate like steam from a hot stove. The key to overcoming emotional trading is to develop a detached, almost robotic approach to the market. You need to treat trading like a business, not a casino. That means having a solid trading plan, sticking to your risk management rules, and not letting your emotions dictate your decisions. One of the best ways to combat emotional trading is to have a clear understanding of your risk tolerance. How much are you willing to lose on a single trade? What's your maximum drawdown? Once you know your limits, stick to them. Don't chase losses, and don't let greed cloud your judgment. Another crucial aspect of emotional control is to remove yourself from the noise of the market. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and you'll be well on your way to mastering the market. Remember, the market is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and discipline are your best allies. Incorporate mindfulness practices to keep your emotions in check. Meditation and deep breathing can help. Learn from your past trades, both wins and losses. Continuous improvement is key. Celebrate small victories and acknowledge your progress. This will keep you motivated and focused. Listen up, you donkeys. Let's talk about technical analysis, the bread and butter of successful trading. You see, charts aren't just pretty pictures. They're a bloody roadmap of the market, showing you where it's been and where it might be going. Now, I'm not talking about some mystical voodoo here. Technical analysis is about identifying patterns and trends in price movements, using indicators and tools to make informed trading decisions. Think of it like reading a recipe. You've got your ingredients, your measurements, and your instructions. Technical analysis is the same. You've got your charts, your indicators, and your patterns, all guiding you towards a delicious trading outcome. One of the fundamental principles of technical analysis is that history tends to repeat itself. Just like that idiot sandwich I keep mentioning, the market has its own set of patterns and cycles that tend to play out over time. By studying historical price data, you can identify these patterns and use them to your advantage. Now, there are countless technical indicators out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. You've got your moving averages, your RSI, your MACD, your Bollinger Bands, the list goes on. But remember, you don't need to use them all. Focus on a few key indicators that you understand inside and out, and learn how to use them effectively. Another crucial aspect of technical analysis is understanding support and resistance levels. These are price levels where the market has historically struggled to break through. Think of them like the walls of a trading range. By identifying these levels, you can anticipate potential turning points in the market and make more informed trading decisions. Now, technical analysis isn't a foolproof system. It's not about predicting the future with 100% certainty. It's about tilting the odds in your favor, giving you an edge over those who are trading blindly. By mastering technical analysis, you can make more calculated decisions, reducing the guesswork and increasing your chances of success. So dive deep, study hard, and let the charts guide you to better trading outcomes. So there you have it, you lot. We've covered the 5 essential ingredients to transform you from a clueless kitchen hand into a master chef of the market. Remember, patience and discipline are your sous chefs, simplicity is your secret ingredient, emotional control is your fire extinguisher, and technical analysis is your recipe book. Now, don't just stand there like a pudding. Get out there and start implementing these strategies to your trading practices. Remember, the only way to truly master the market is to get your hands dirty and start cooking up some profits. Start implementing these tips today and watch your trading skills soar.